In this video we are going to look at the top 5 best angle grinder available on the market every day. We made this list based on our own opinion, research and custom reviews. We have considered the quality, features and values. We focused on lower to mid-price options from brands you can purchase directly online, though we did include a couple of recommendations for more expensive angle grinder that our team of grinder testers loved. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. Angle grinders are among the essential tools that can be found in any respectable metalworking workshop. These handheld power tools can be used to grind, polish, cut, buff, sharpen, and clean various materials, including metal, wood, tile, and stone. Though angle grinders are often considered high-powered tools for professionals, they're helpful for all kinds of users doing various tasks around the home and yard. An angle grinder can cut brick, remove old grout, and shape tile. It can also grind down welds, remove rust, strip paint from metal, chop through rebar and aluminum sections, and even sharpen a lawnmower blade. Angle grinders make up a core tool class, and nearly every brand makes multiple models. We've done our best to narrow down our top recommendations based on the performance, features, and even price of these tools. So here are top 5 best angle grinder.
At number 5. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price can be changed at any time. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 4. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. If you want more information about this product, please check description box link below. At number 3. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price can be changed at any time. At number 2. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. At number 1. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. If you want to buy this product, please check description box. Thanks for watching and see you again for new videos.